This is another arithmetic sequence, 10, 7, 4, 1. And we can see this time that it's going down, and instead of going up, it's going down in steps of 3. So we say the common difference is negative 3. Okay, that's the common difference is what that's called, because each number decreases by negative 3. Okay, so the general term is what's asked for next. So again, we have this formula for the general term of an arithmetic sequence. M plus D on A1 plus D on M minus 1. Okay, A1 is just the first term, so the first term is 10 plus D. Well, D is negative 3, so minus 3 times M minus 1. Now, we're going to distribute the negative 3 in here. Okay, so if we distribute the negative 3, we get AM equals 10 minus 3M minus by minus is plus 3. And then we can add the 10 and the 3, and that gives you AM is equal to 10 plus 3 is 13 minus 3M. And that's going to be the general term of this sequence. Okay. We're then asked for the 15th term. Okay, so if we want the 15th term, what we say is we make N equal to 15. Okay, so if we make N equal to 15 and fill it into this formula that we have for the general term, it's A15 equals 13 minus 3 times 15. So A15 is equal to 13 minus 45, and A15 will be equal to, so we subtract 3 from 5 is 2, 1 from 4 is 3, and it's going to be minus. So the 15th term is negative 32. Right, last question. What is the index of the term negative 35? So T. Okay, so if we want to know which term in the sequence is 35, where does negative 35 come in the sequence? Well, we can probably guess, because it's going down in 3s. And A15 is negative 32, so if we reduce that by 3, one more step, it would be the 16th step would be negative 32 minus 3 is negative 35. So that's one way of getting our answer, but we can also do it using the formula. Okay, so what we have this time is we want to know the index for negative 35. So let's say let AM equal negative 35. Okay, now AM, go back to the general term. Always go back to the general term when you're stuck. So AN is 13 minus 3M is the general term. And now AN is negative 35. So negative 35 equals 13 minus 3M. Let's move that across there like that. So we have negative 35 minus 13 equals negative 3M. Negative 35 minus 13, we can add those because they have the same sign, and that'll be negative 48 is equal to negative 3n. And if we want to know what n is, we have to divide both sides by negative 3. And negative 48 divided by negative 3, and minus divided by a minus is a positive. And 48 divided by 3 is 16. And negative 3n divided by negative 3 is just n. And that means negative 35 is the 16th term in the sequence. Okay, that's it.